Hello students, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today, as a part of our assignment, we are going to discuss the key based on editing. So, we have a passage over here, editing passage, and we have to find out the error in each and every sentence, and we have to write down the error in the error column, and we have to write the correct answer in the correct column. So before we go and answer those things, what are the things we need to do? Let us come to know first. First of all, we need to read the given paragraph once, twice or thrice in a proper way. While reading, we could understand or we identify few errors. We have to note down those errors, and each and every line we find an error and we have to replace with a correct answer. So, where we are going to find the error? We may find the error in articles, maybe determiners. We may find the error in tenses. We may find the error in prepositions. We may find the error in singular and plurals. We may find the error in subject-verb agreement. We may find the error in adverbs, means all the parts of speech we can find an error. And sometimes, in rare cases, we can find some spellings also. Rare cases. But first of all, we have to go to read. We have to read the paragraph once or twice, then we have to attempt. Students, I request you, don't go blindly and answer those questions. From your side you may be correct, but you think logically and grammatically. Okay? Now let me read the paragraph for you, then we try to answer those questions. People should think twice when they adopt a pet. Pets became adopted member of the family. One cannot think at ill-treating them. They had to be given wholesome food. In case they fell sick, they should be taken for a vet, means veterinary doctor. Some people acquire pets and now neglect them. This is a small passage given for editing. Once again I repeat, people should think twice when they adopt a pet. Pets became adopted member of the family. One cannot think at ill-treating them. They had to be given wholesome food. In case they fell sick, they should be taken for a veterinary doctor. Vet. Some people acquire pets and now neglect them. So when we have read twice, we came to know that this particular passage or the paragraph is about pets. It is not a story. If it is a story, it should be written in past tense. It is a fact. It is an information given. So we may have any type of tense according to the sense. We may have present tense in most of the cases, or sometimes according to the sense we may have also past tense, if it is reflecting to any past event or incident. Now let me try to identify the error, then I will write the correct option. People should think twice when they adopt a pet. People should think twice when they adopt a pet. When we have read this paragraph, we came to know that it is talking about what should be done. So what should be done? People should think twice when they adopt a pet. Not here, this word is wrong. Before they adopt a pet. Before, not when they adopt a pet, they have to write it before. So the error is when. And the correct answer is people should think twice before they adopt a pet. Before they do something, they have to think twice. So before they adopt a pet. Pets became adopted. No, I told you, it is an information. It is a fact. So we have to see that the word should not be in the simple past. It should be in the present time. So pets become adopted. Pets become adopted. So answer wrong one is became. And the correct option is become. C-O-M-E. We should not write in the simple past. Pets became wrong. Become adopted member. Pets become adopted member of the family. No, family means a group of people. Become adopted members in the family. Sometimes singular and plural also we have to see. Family is plural, family, a group of people living together in a house is known as family. Father, mother, brother, sister, aunt, uncle, aunt, grandmother, grandfather, family. So they also become what? The members of the family. It is not a member. They become the members of the family. Answer is members of the family. They became the members of the family. One cannot think act ill-treating them. One cannot think act ill-treating them. What is the error in this line? One cannot think of. Think act wrong. Think of. When we use some phrasal, whenever we use some phrasal verbs, we have to see think followed by of. When one cannot think, act is wrong. Think of. So the error is act. So you can write the word of. One cannot think of ill-treating them. Them means pets. They had to be given wholesome food. They had to be given. Again I repeat, again I want to remind you, we are talking about a fact. An information is given. So whenever we are giving some information about a fact, we have to write down in the simple present tense. Present tense. They had to given, wrong. They have to be given. So had is error. The correct one is have. The correct one is have. They have to be given. Have to, not had to. They have to be given wholesome food. In case they fell sick. In case they fell sick, again we are able to see the verb is in the past tense. We have to identify those past tense verbs. Fell wrong, we have to write down the word fall. Fall. In case they fall sick, they should be taken for a vet. No, for a vet. It is for a walk. For a vet, no, wrong. To a vet. To a veterinary doctor. To a vet. So the preposition for is wrong, and we have to write down the wrong one here for, and we have to use they should be, in case they fell sick, they should be taken to a vet. To should be the answer. To a vet. Some people acquire pet and neglect them. Some people acquire. People is plural. Acquire pet is singular. People is plural. Some people acquire pets. It may be more than one. People. Some people here. The people means some families. One family, another family, another family, another family. Some people acquire pets. P-E-T-S. So here the word pet is given. Pets we have to write down. Pet is given. We have to write down pets. Some people acquire pets and now neglect them. Not now. And then they acquire, then they neglect them. So the wrong one is now over here, and we have to write down the word now over here in the error, and we have to write down the correct answer, that is then. In this way we have to complete the editing. Once again I read with the correct answers given in the columns. Okay, I will read the correct option over here. People should think twice before they adopt a pet. Pets become adopted members of the family. One cannot think of ill-treating them. They have to be taken wholesome food. They have to be given wholesome food. In case they fall sick, they should be taken to a vet. Some people acquire pets and then neglect them. In this way, we have to recheck our answers once again. So, my dear students, I hope you have noted those correct answers over there. The errors in one line, correct answers are one line, and recheck those answers with your paragraph. I think you have all noted them in your notebooks. Thank you. Have a nice time.